It's definitely essential with Indian cuisine. It's great marinated and cooked in the tandoor, or you can barbecue it with skewers. We grate it and put it in breads, make amazing curries out of it. The possibilities are endless. So stick around, we're going to be making paneer. You just simply need a tea towel, a deep pot or saucepan, juicer, colander, 2 litres of milk, a measuring cup, cheesecloth, a couple of lemons, and a knife. So this first step is optional. If you've got time to do it, it's a great idea. Just simply cover the base with a layer of water, just enough to cover it, and then place it in the fridge for about 20 minutes to chill. You want to keep this about the same temperature as the milk, that way it prevents it from sticking and burning. Let's do this. Okay, step 1, turn the stove on high. Add milk. Simply just bring it to the boil. Just be sure to occasionally stir the milk every few minutes. You do not want it to stick or burn at the bottom. Simply place the colander in a clean sink. With the cheesecloth, just place it directly in the centre, pushing down, and then allow even excess all the way around the edges. Now if you're a bodybuilder or a vegetarian that's finding it hard to get their protein requirements, just simply put a bigger container underneath to catch the wave flowing through. Just put that in the fridge for a few days, mix it with smoothies. It's a great alternative to protein powder. Just use a damp tea towel, putting the juicer on, it helps it stay there more steadily. As the milk becomes closer to boil, make sure you're constantly stirring it. You do not want it to stick or burn, and you do not want to go past the point of no return where it just boils everywhere. It takes forever to clean up that mess, and you do not want to get burnt. As soon as the milk starts to rise, we will reduce the heat and slowly add about 80 to 100 ml of lemon juice. You can also use vinegar. Allowing the milk to rise, we're just going to reduce the heat to low, we'll turn it off completely, and then gradually add the lemon juice. This is going to allow the milk to curdle and form paneer. You can tell by the colour of the milk, see how it's going that watery, greeny, yellow colour? And you can see our lumps of paneer forming. I'm just going to turn the heat back onto medium high, and see if we can form some more. Now that liquid that you can see, that's what you want to collect in a separate container and just let it cool down and refrigerate it. It will last for a few days. It's a great source of protein. Simply remove it from the stove and gradually pour it in the colander. Once that's drained, simply grab each corner of the cheesecloth, all the sides, and just gradually spin it slowly. Now just be careful, this will be quite hot. run under a bit of cold water. Especially if you use vinegar, it'll just help reduce the smell. It'll help cool it down as well. Just do that as tight as you can. Simply tie a knot. Squeeze out as much of the liquid as you can. Now in order to press it nice and flat, just get a chopping board or a couple of dinner plates. Place it here. Now you've got to be careful because it needs to be balanced. It'll tend to slip around. Put some plate on it like this, and then we'll fill our saucepan full of water, and this will weigh it down. Or if you've got a weight, as you can see it wants to slide. It's a common problem in the restaurant we have. So I'm simply just going to place it in the corner here, and hopefully this will balance a bit better. So that water will stop splashing around. That way. And there we go. Just let it sit like that for about 45 minutes to an hour. Alrighty, so it's been about an hour. Let's see what this paneer looks like. Compacted nicely. Undo this knot. Shouldn't have done it too tight. And there we have it. Our paneer is ready. Simply just cut it up into the portion sizes that you prefer. I like to keep these ends and grate them and use them in breads. Or just simply have a couple and have them diced. Make sag, paneer, whatever you like. I might just eat it all the time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please visit www.inderscuisine.com for the complete recipe. The fun's not over yet. You've got to clean up. It's always good to leave the cheesecloth, let it soak for about 10 minutes in hot soapy water, and just help rinse it out thoroughly. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Hope to see you in the next one.